2017 Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. The Porsche Cayenne Turbo, introduced in 2003, was the vector for a contagion that has since spread to the farthest reaches of the automotive universe. The 1992 GMC Typhoon may have been the first diagnosed case of this high-performance SUV virus, but now even Ferrari is running a fever. Symptoms can include weight gain, swelling of underhood forces, elevated profit margins, and thinning of a brand's heritage. While the 2017 Cayenne is still frothing mad in Turbo S form, the Porsche's overhaul for 2019 with Stuttgart's latest infection means this could be our last checkup with the current model. The arrival of our Cayenne Turbo S test car was timely since we had just revisited the BMW X5M, the Porsche's chief rival that is due for a refresh of its own soon. Despite base prices some $60,000 apart, these two are very similar both in mission and execution. This second-gen Cayenne debuted for the 2011 model year. The Turbo S was last updated to its current state of tune for 2016, which we've previously sampled in both Germany and Sweden. But this is the first time we've been able to affix our testing equipment to one sick patient. Like the Beamer, the Porsche's gutsy 4.8-liter V8 employs a pair of turbochargers to produce its maximum 570 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-foot of torque, topping the X5M's 4.4-liter by a mere 3 horses but a more substantial 37 pounds-to-foot. The 2017 model batters the 2014 Turbo S we last tested by 20 ponies and 37 pounds-to-foot. And thanks to our test car's $3,210 variable performance exhaust, that immense power is accompanied by a guttural V8 bellow that sounds pleasingly healthy in all the ways the X5M synthetic murmur does not. The top-spec Cayenne also features a masterfully tuned 8-speed automatic transmission, an advanced all-wheel drive system, and the Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, PTV Plus, system, which apportions thrust between the rear wheels via individual brake applications and an electronically controlled differential. And you can't miss the Turbo S's standard carbon ceramic stoppers, which cost $8,840 on lesser Cayenne. They're hulking calipers, housing no fewer than 10 pistons each, in front and 4 each in back, wrap around the massive 16.5-inch front and 14.6-inch rear rotors like bright yellow growths. Despite some initial squishiness to the Porsche's brake pedal, their bite is strong and easy to modulate, with none of the squeaking and jerkiness that plagued the early days of carbon ceramic brakes. Other standard fare at this level includes Porsche's PDCC active anti-roll bars, as well as the Sport Chrono package with its dash-top analog lap timer and Hardcore Sport Plus chassis setting. The Turbo S can easily tow your 911 GT3 to the track. It's rated to pull 7,716 pounds, and has up to 10.7 inches of ground clearance if you feel the need to go off-roading in a 5,130-pound SUV that Porsche says can lap the Nürburgring in less than 8 minutes. Milking the system. Porsche's notoriously detailed order sheet reads like a hospital bill, itemizing nearly everything as an additional cost. You would think that $160,000 would include a backup camera and proximity entry, yet Porsche's a la carte configurator lists those as standalone options for $660 and $890, or bundled in the $3,240 premium package plus panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, blind spot monitoring, and powered rear side window sunshades. Along with the extra loud exhaust, our $169,555 test car featured a short list of additional conveniences that we'd expect to get on most luxury SUVs at half this price. Viewed alongside the $101,695 starting price of the well-equipped X5M, let alone the $86,995 for the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk with 707 horsepower, the Turbo S's delirium seems to have infected Porsche itself. We're still waiting for the debut of the upcoming new BMW X5M, but the next-gen Cayenne Turbo S's hybrid setup, good for 680 horsepower in the 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid, surely will put it in the same loony bin as the Hellcated Jeep. While market forces have yet to find a cure for the epidemic of ballistic utility vehicles, at least we have a waiting room full of contenders for a future comparison test.